Hi guys, this is Divisha Agrawal. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about skincare because there is no such thing as enough skincare and I seriously can't get enough of it. So today I'm going to share a three-step, like very quick, hassle-free three-step skincare routine for all the lazy girls out there who doesn't really enjoy skincare but really want to take care of their skin for obvious reasons. And I'm sure, like I guarantee it to you, that if you follow these three unmissable steps in your routine every single day and without fail, then your skin is going to thank you in the long run, trust me. So yeah, I'm going to share like three very easy steps that everyone can do, and it literally takes me like 5 to 7 minutes to do these three steps every single day. So without any further ado, let's start the video.
Okay, hi. So, the first and foremost step is cleansing. Using a cleanser that suits your skin is important for many reasons. I've been religiously using this gentle cleanser by Cetaphil. It's perfect for my dry, sensitive skin. I take a little bit on my palm and apply it all over my face in circular motion, cleaning all the pores and getting rid of all the dirt. You can use any face wash or cleanser that suits your skin. Cleansing is super important before applying any other skincare products on your skin, so never miss this step. Now, I'll just go on and wash off all the product off my face with water. You can even use a cotton pad to wipe it off, it's your choice. And after washing my face, I use a clean towel to pat it dry. And remember to always be super gentle with your skin. And we are done with the first step. Now, before moving on to the second step, I love using the Crystal Micro Essence by L'Oreal Paris. I've used it in the past and I absolutely love this product. The whole crystal range by L'Oreal Paris is just amazing. Do check it out. This is an optional step in case you want to take extra care of your skin. I like to take 4-5 drops of this and dab it gently all over my face and neck. It's quite refreshing and preps my skin well for a moisturizer. Moving on to the second step with my favorite product, which is this newly launched Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream by L'Oreal Paris. It is the newest addition to my everyday routine. Moisturizing is one of the most important aspects of any skincare routine, and this crystal gel cream is a perfect moisturizer for acne prone and combination to oily skin. The best part about it is that it's powered by pure salicylic acid, which according to Dermats is the best performing ingredient for clear and youthful skin. For your information, salicylic acid is an active that has an ability to exfoliate the top layer of your skin, and it really helps to purify all those pores and remove dead skin cells as well. This cream's water-based and oil-free formulations locks in the moisture really well without building up excess oil, hence not causing any kind of breakouts. Its gel-like texture helps the cream penetrate 10 layers deep into the skin. It controls oil for up to 8 hours and keeps it hydrated. It is also clinically and dermatologically tested. Just take a pea-sized amount and massage it gently all over your face, and don't forget your neck. I highly recommend this crystal gel cream because I personally loved it. Please find the price and size details on the screen, and don't forget to check the links in the description box in case you are interested. Now, third step is using a sunscreen. I'm using this gel sunscreen from the Derma Co. I like to take a pea-sized amount and gently apply it all over my face and neck. I cannot stress enough on the fact that how much significance a good sunscreen has when it comes to skincare. So if you are still not using sunscreen every day, this is your reminder to do so. And yes, we should use a sunscreen even on cloudy days and even when we are at home. So please go ahead and use that sunscreen. This one works really well for all skin types and especially for oily skin. So yeah, this is me after doing all that skincare and casually flirting with my camera. So enjoy.
So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I shot it in a very different way this time, and let me know how you liked watching it in the comments below. And also in the comments tell me if you're actually going to follow this skincare routine, because it's very easy. I really want you to follow this skincare routine because I want your skin to be all healthy and happy. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel because please let's reach 100k very soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.